Good morning. It's Friday, May 1st. Can you believe it's already May? And we have been doing this homeschooling for a whole month. All right, well, let's do this. Remember, I say the rhyme, you repeat. Give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, thumbs down if it doesn't. Let's get on the right page. Sheep, Jeep. Yep, sheep, Jeep, and the same. Good job. Full wool. Yep, they rhyme. Bag, box. No, don't rhyme. My sky. Yep, my and sky rhyme. 3C. 3 and C rhyme. Good job. Okay, next is onset fluency. Remember, repeat after me. Back, boy, ba. Yes, yard, yeah. Wool, wake, wa. Sir, 6, s. To, take, t. Okay, great job. And we're going to blend our words together. Sweater, sweater. Repeat after me. Mittens, mittens. Your turn. Good job. Zipper, zipper. Sledding, sledding. Friendly, friendly. Great job. We're going to do our middle sounds. R, am, a. G, et, e. F, ill, I. T, ought, ah. N, ut, Okay, good job. Get your choppers out. Working, working. Your turn. Lazy, lazy. Hungry, hungry. Winter, winter. Fable, fable. Okay, great job. Almost done. We're going to start with the word chart and add at the end to make charter. We're going to start with the word clip and add at the end to make clipper. Good. We're going to start with the word hot and add at the end to make hotter. We're going to start with the word warm and add at the end to make warmer. We're going to start with the word cold and add at the end to make colder. Good job. Last part, taking away. We're going to start with the word melted, take away id. What's left? Melt. Start with the word printed, take away id. What's left? Print. We're going to start with the word landed, take away id. What's left? Land. Good. We're going to start with the word trusted, take away id. What's left? Trust. We're going to start with the word rented, take away id. What's left? Rent. Good job. Now our nursery rhyme. Ba, ba, black sheep. Have you any wool? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. Ba, ba, black sheep. Have you any wool? Okay, now see if you can say that all by yourself. Happy Friday. I'll see you guys next week.